Hello guys and welcome to a new video on Civol Tutorials channel. Today I will show you how to put white background on Instagram story. It is very simple option, so without further ado, let's get right into it. First thing that we need to do is check if our Instagram is really updated and in the newest version. We can do that in Play Store. If it is, let's go to Instagram. As you can see, if I open Instagram story and want to create, Instagram will automatically give me this colorful background. I don't want that. Click on this circle in bottom right corner of the screen, and if you click it enough times, you will eventually get to white background. And as you can see here, you can write or add some pictures or do whatever you want with the white background or any other background color that you want. That will actually be all for today's video. If you liked it, I hope that you did. I will see you in the next one. Bye.